Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the location pin like this from scratch using the Microsoft PowerPoint. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can open this Microsoft PowerPoint first and you can prepare the slide. And after that you can insert the shape, whether that from this home and click this shape, or from this insert and this shape guys, which one do you prefer? And for example, I will use the two elements over here, which is the triangle and also the oval. For example, this one. And after that I will start to rotate it. Use this vertical, and after that you can start to create the another oval. And if you see that this will be the oval we have, and if you would like to make it the perfect oval or the perfect circle, so you can start to click this shape first, and after that hold the shift on your keyboard. For example, I have hold the shift right now, and like this will be the perfect oval or the perfect circular like this. And after that you can put it into this section, and if you'd like to place it a little bit piece by piece, so you can hold the control in your keyboard and let's say move it down like this. And this is the condition when I move it without hold the control. So you can use this control to make it move perfectly. And this will be the shape we have. And I will start to remove the outline. Click this object and go to this shape format and shape outline. And after that you can use this no outline, and so does this one. And you can also adjust the size of this circle if you want to. Like this. And after that I will drag or give it a block of these two objects, or select these two objects, and after that go to this shape format, merge shape and union. So this will be the shape we have, and you can also change the color fill or the solid color, for example to be the black or red. Which one do you prefer? For example, I will choose this one. And after that you can start to put another circle, the inner circle like this. So you can start to click shape and put it inside. Like this, and I will also change the color fill to be white. And I will make this to become one again, and you can start to select this inner circle, white inner circle, and this pin black, and give it a right click and click group and make it into the group. So this will be the result we have guys. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try to create your own location pin from scratch into the Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.